How to download free videos from web browser. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can download free videos from your web browser on your device. So this works for Android and iPhone both, so you can try it out on your device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you will need to open up your web browser. So any web browser will work. I will be using my Google Chrome. So open up your Google Chrome or your web browser. After you open it up, you will then need to search for a website that is, or you can simply search for free videos. And if you search for that, you'll find different websites. And some of the popular ones are Pexels, Pixabay, Freepik, and many more. So we'll head over to Pexels, and after you're there, let it load, and there you can search for free videos. So if you scroll down, you can find free stock videos which you can use free and without copyright. So if you want to download one of that, you can press on the video which you want to download, and after you select the video, you can play it out as well. Then if you want to download it, tap on the free download option that should be available on the top right of the video. And after you tap on it, your video should start downloading. So tap on allow. So there you can see the file has been now downloaded. You can tap on open from right up here, and you can play the video. And there you can see you have just downloaded a video from the web browser for free. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe.